Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is accounting for prepaid insurance and insurance expense. So how does it work? When we purchase an insurance, car insurance, for instance, and we pay it in cash, but it is for the 1 year. When we purchase today, it is for 1 year. It is an asset. It is a prepaid insurance. And we will be moving this balance from prepaid insurance to insurance expense over the month. If everything is on the same year, no problem at all. However, what if our insurance starts in 1 year and ends at the next year? That is usually what happens, unless you do it at the very beginning of the fiscal year. For instance, if your fiscal year is from January to December, if you do it on the very beginning of January. If you don't, we will have this kind of situation. So, first of all, cash payments. Cash payment journal is a journal used to record only cash payment transactions. So when we purchase our insurance. So here, a cash payment journal, date, accounting title, debit and credit, accounts payable and purchase discount. We are not using here. By the way, we have tons of videos about these cash payments journal, general journal. Just take a look at our playlist, accounting for small business, and you will find it there. And also subscribe to our channel. It is very important to us, and you will be the first one to know when a new video arrives. So let's go to our Excel file. By the way, all our Excel files, they are free, and the link to download it is in our video description. So here, August 1st, paid insurance to homemade insurance, check for 50. And this insurance is for 1 year, for instance. So the date, August 1st, prepaid insurance, check for 50. How much? 3,600. And credit cash, 3,600. Okay. It's cash, so we need to go to cash payments journal. Equal August 1st. What we are paying it? Prepaid insurance. Check number 450. The 450 here. Debit 3,600. Cash credit 3,600. And now the journal for prepaid insurance. So August 1st, again, the company is homemade insurance, and it is a debit 3,600. And here, let's assume that we have no beginning balance. This is the only insurance that we are purchasing. However, if our fiscal year is from January to December, and if this insurance is for 12 months, it will start on the first fiscal year, it will end at the second fiscal year. So we need to adjust our entries here. So we need to adjust our account balance. Some general ledger, for instance, prepaid insurance or prepaid expense, need to be brought up to date before financial statements are prepared. Adjusting entries are used to bring a general ledger account up to date. And then, for questions for adjusting entries. 1, what are the balance of the account being adjusted? This balance here, 3,600. Second question, what should the balance be for these accounts? So here, let's consider that the ending balance for prepaid insurance should be $2,100. How do we find it? 3,600 for 12 months. divided by 12 times how many months will we have on the following year? January, February, March, April, May, June, July. 7. 2100. Boom. Okay? So this should be the ending balance. What must be done to correct the account balance? So we need to reduce this balance from 3,600, this one here, to 2,100. So how much we should reduce it? Beginning less ending balance. Because why? If my beginning balance is 36 apples, my ending balance is 21 apples. Reduce 15, I ate it. So I ate 15 apples. So we need to reduce it. And then the 15, 36, my beginning balance, 21, my ending balance. And the last question, what adjusting entries are made? Adjusting entries here. Insurance expense, $1,500. So our adjusting entries is at the end of the fiscal year, December 31st. So we are moving from an asset to an expense. An expense, the normal balance is a debit. So insurance expense. Memorandum 151. How much? 1,500. And our credit, we need to reduce our prepaid insurance. 1,500. Let's look at the other ledgers or the other journals. Cash payments, nothing to be done, no cash here. However, prepaid insurance, we have it. So December 31st, insurance expense. We did a credit on prepaid insurance, 1,500. Now the same ending balance here. So this same ending balance, so we are good. That's it, guys. Not so hard, not so easy as well. So watch this video how many times you want. Questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a very nice day and God bless you.